Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's close to a lot of folks' hearts, credit repair. Millions of people are stuck in the debt cycle, feeling trapped by their credit history. But I'm here to tell you, there's hope. We're gonna walk through this together step by step. Today, we'll break down actionable tips to help you take control of your credit. So, grab a pen and paper, get ready to take some notes, and let's dive right in. First things first, you gotta know what you're dealing with. Go get a copy of your credit report. You can get it for free every year from all three credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Don't just glance at it, really comb through it. Look for anything that looks fishy. Incorrect balances, accounts you don't recognize, late payments that you know you made on time. These errors can tank your score, and you've got the right to fight them. Once you've spotted those gremlins, it's time to dispute. This means contacting both the credit bureau and the creditor who reported the error. Don't just call, put it in writing. Send a certified letter with return receipt requested. Include copies of any documents that back up your claim. Be clear, be concise, and be persistent. Remember, the credit bureaus and creditors have to investigate disputes within 30 days. Make checking your credit report a regular habit. Cleaning up those errors is like wiping your financial slate clean. Alright, so you've tackled those errors, now it's time to face the music on those debts. Listen, I know it can be intimidating to pick up the phone and call your creditors, but trust me, it's better than letting those debts fester. Before you call, do your homework. Know exactly how much you owe, to whom, and what interest rates you're facing. Then come to the table with a plan. Figure out what you can realistically afford to pay each month. When you call, be polite but firm. Explain your situation honestly and clearly. Propose a payment plan that works for you. Don't be afraid to negotiate. The worst they can say is no, and you'd be surprised how often they're willing to work with you. Remember, you've got the power to take control of your debt. Don't let it control you. Be proactive, be persistent, and watch that debt start to shrink. Okay, folks, we've cleaned up the past. Now let's talk about building a brighter future. Building good credit habits is like building a house. You need a strong foundation, and the cornerstone of that foundation is paying your bills on time every time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to avoid those costly late fees. Now let's talk about credit cards. These little plastic rectangles can be your best friend or your worst enemy. The key is to use them responsibly. Keep your credit utilization low. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 30% or less. Building good credit habits takes time and effort, but it's the surest way to secure your financial future. Remember, consistency is key. All right, we're almost there. But the journey to good credit doesn't end with fixing past mistakes. You gotta stay vigilant, folks. Remember those credit reports we talked about? Well, consider them your financial report card. You gotta check them regularly, like a hawk. Remember, you can get a free copy from each of the three credit bureaus every year. That means you can check one every 4 months and keep a constant eye on things. Look for any new errors that may have popped up, any suspicious activity, anything that just doesn't look right. Monitoring your credit report is like checking your bank statements. It helps you catch identity theft early on and prevents those credit vampires from sinking their teeth into your score. Make monitoring your credit a regular habit. Now, I know we've covered a lot of ground here, and you might be thinking, Dave, I can handle this. And you know what? You probably can. But there are times when it might make sense to call in the big guns to get some professional help. If you're feeling overwhelmed, if your credit situation is particularly complex, or if you're just not seeing the progress you'd hoped for, it might be time to consider talking to a credit counselor or a financial advisor. These folks are trained professionals who can help you navigate the often confusing world of credit. They can offer personalized advice, develop a debt management plan, and even negotiate with creditors on your behalf. So, if you need a co-pilot to help you navigate, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Listen, I know we've covered a ton of information today, but I want you to walk away with this. Repairing your credit is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, it takes effort, but let me tell you, it is absolutely worth it. Remember, you are not defined by your credit score. You are capable, you are resilient, and you have the power to change your financial future. So, take what you've learned today, put it into action, and start building that brighter future, one step at a time. Thanks for watching our guide on repairing your credit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful.